Okay, everybody, it's John with Dine Drink Vegas taking you on a room tour of a standard king room at the Palazzo, Las Vegas. You'll notice that on the title card we labeled this a prestige room. The prestige rooms are the same as the regular rooms. This one just comes with access to the prestige lounge, which we'll review in another video. As you can see walking into the space, this is a really beautiful modern hotel room. Everything is pristine and clean. That bed is just incredibly comfortable. The dresser is spacious, lots of room to store all your stuff. Stepping down into the separate living room area, you've got the mini bar tucked away under the TV there. Nice table for two. View out the window, a little underwhelming during the daytime. You can't see down to the pool. We went in October, so the pools were closed. TI right across the street. It's actually a beautiful view when the lights are up. During the day, I could take or leave it. The desk was great, guys. This sectional sofa here, this L-shaped sofa, very comfortable place just to hang out. And it really felt good having the separate spaces. Coming back through to the bedroom area, there are outlets on both sides. My apologies for not showing them, but plenty of places to plug in your devices, charge your phone, that sort of thing. Big, nice closet with the complimentary robes, and then the bathroom. There are so many things I love about this bathroom. You've got high-end fixtures, beautiful tile, a separate shower from a tub, and a great makeup and dressing area. Just a beautiful space. Highly recommend it. Standard king room at the Palazzo. Thanks for watching.